Hello, everybody, and welcome to the 22nd of March. And it is the CC Assembly for Upper Key Stage 2, Year 5 and Year 6. We know what we're aiming for. We want to be caring people. We want to be trying our best. We want to be always learning, especially from our mistakes, going for improvement and progress. We want to use our education to help us to make great choices. We want to never give up. We are CC learners. We know that physical strength is important. It's important to sleep well, to eat well, to exercise, but the real strength comes from your character, the strength that's inside you when you are your true best and you are always working at being your best. That can help you to overcome any challenge, helps you to solve any problem that you face. That's why we always say at Grange, just ask yourself when you're faced with a problem, which character strength should I use? And we said also that all of you children sitting there, you are the survive and thrive generation. You're going to bounce back. You're the bounce back kids. You know that kindness is strength. You have the CC way. And last week we focused on the character strength of appreciation of beauty and excellence, which means that we can recognize, we can admire, we can celebrate, we can get inspired by beauty or talent or skill around us. We're not worried. We don't feel insecure, jealous, anxious, or worried when we see what others people doing brilliantly. We appreciate beauty and excellence. And my choice of a Grange pupil of power this week, somebody who really lived the value of appreciation of beauty and excellence, is Ada. And Hader commented, he wrote on Google Classroom a review of Queen of Freedom, which is Katherine Johnson's book, which we've been reading in Churchill class and in Gandhi class. And Hader, what I wanted to say to you, I shared with Katherine Johnson, the author, your comments, and she wrote to me on Twitter. She said, please tell your student I'm bowled over. He enjoyed the book like this. All power to his reading. That's her comment. All power to his reading. So that is a comment from a real author. And in Churchill and in Gandhi, we have enjoyed her book. And she appreciates your review, Hader, and you demonstrated the character strength of appreciation of beauty and excellence. So well done. The character strength this week is hope. And what hope means is that you're realistic, but also you don't just give up because, things can go wrong. Yes, things can go wrong, but we live our lives with optimism, with hope. This is a picture of Lawrence Okoli. Saturday night, he became a world champion. When he was a kid at school, he got bullied for his African heritage, and also he got bullied because he was very overweight. He did not give up. He had hope, and he is world champion now. Live your lives with hope. The Grange CC way. Confidence and consideration. Gold stars of the week. Adib, Zara, Vinaya, Anastasia, Mariama, Danya, Mustafa M, Abdullah E, Faris, Furkan, Lala, Hader. Well done, everybody. Class champions, Medina and Tabman, Habiz, Parks, Lion, Mandela, Nicoletta Mandela, Krasian Mandela, Abdullah A. Mandela, Hader, Churchill, Ali R. Gandhi, and Blinart and Luther King. Well done. Grange House Award. You can see everybody there. Furkan Parisa Suber, Anna, Mariama, Zara, Blinart, Martina, Zara, Agash, Ayana, Cosmina, Amira, Aliyah, Sakina, Ilya, Bavita. Flying in is Ayat, Pharrell, and the swivel goes to Abdullah A. And in fire, we've got Rushilia, Mindy, Simon, Hewad, Vinaya, Hader, Amos, Ansar, Shana, Farhad, Vishwesh. Flying in is Mirthika, Princess, and the swivel goes to Medina. In Grange House of Air, we've got Shema, Arzu, Nur, Ajay, Bashir, Mustafa O, Imran, Jaden, Muhammad S, Adib, Blessing, Ibra, Shravan. Flying in is Diraj, Abdullah D, and the swivel goes to Nicoletta. In Ankrasian, well done. Grange House of Earth, Ali R, Lala Habiz, Ayub, Alicia Race, Anastasia, Max, Iman, Anushant, Zohaib. Diction, Sana H, Iten, Stefania, Danusha, Wasim, Michelle. Flying is Jabril, Lion, and the swivel goes to Divian. The whole Grange community, 20,834 brilliant points. Classy class, Luther King class, Mandela class, but look at Tubman class back on top. Half-term target, we've smashed it already. We are going towards the hand painting on the service road. Please sign up for the quiz. Be great, be Grange, live your lives full of hope, confidence and consideration. Enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Learn together, respect each other, achieve our potential, demonstrate character strength, and especially let's see who the pupils of power demonstrating hope are.